Hi everyone, this is another video of my random thoughts, episode 4. So I've been going through certain stuff yesterday night, so I thought I'll make a video out of it. There are something called as emotions in humans. Different situations bring different emotions. You don't know what, like you might have mixed emotions also at times. You might feel happy, but you might also feel wanting something to be funny at the same time. For example, if I'm not I think the last 3 4 days I've been going through a lot with emotions. I learned a lot in past few months or few year or year and a half, where I understood how to contain myself, how to control my emotions. And when I was implementing, when I learned, learning is different and executing that on a personal level is different. So when I was trying to do that, I kind of experienced a difficulty on why am I doing this. But later on, as and when I went ahead, I started doing it. I started holding myself to a certain level of possibility of holding my emotions. I'm not crushing my emotions. There's a difference between crushing your emotions and controlling or channelizing your emotions in certain way. कि मुझे ये सोचना नहीं है, ये सोचना है, ये करना नहीं है बस. This is what. And I think it's been positive, dude. It's been positive to me about what my emotions were, because and I was preaching self-love in my previous videos as well, because that is the only thing which is a true emotion according to me right now in this situation, because that the self-love thing is being very supportive. मुझे क्या करना है, like what I want to do as JD, it's more important for me right now rather than what how people should perceive me as. Like, yeah, people might perceive me as certain, so बट मुझे वो करना है कि नहीं करना, वो मेरे ऊपर. इफ़ आई हैव टू डू इट, वो किस तरह से करूँगा, दैट इज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. सो आई थिंक दैट हैज़ बीन अ मेजर टेक अवे फ्रॉम द पास्ट वीक एंड ऑल. Still, even while I'm recording this, with a lot of emotions that are going in my head, ki what will happen to me today, what will happen to me tomorrow, should I behave like this, should I not behave like this. And you can go till that extent only when that particular situation happens. You cannot, like, assumption पे जिंदगी जी सकते हो, तो we will all be living a life of an amazing, like, great life. But assumption पे जिंदगी नहीं चलता, expectations पे जिंदगी नहीं चलता. It just have to be a reality. And the reality happens when you be on ground, when you hold your emotion, when you tell your emotions कि मुझे इस situation में ऐसे ही emotion लेके आना है, ऐसे situation में नहीं लेके आना बस. I think that is what I've been learning it, and I want to take this forward. I want to do a lot more stuff in terms of working on my emotions and helping build myself. I'm trying to build my personality. I want to build my persona, or use it, through, like, when I not say conquer is a very big word. I want to channelize my emotions and energies into a certain way where I can be a better person for myself. So that's what I've been going through, and I just want to put it across in a video. So just hold on to your emotions. Just hold on to your emotions. Just think in the reality. Just think what you love. The self-love is the one thing which will keep you sorted most of the time. तेरे को करना तो कर, नहीं करना तो मत कर. What people think, उसका consequences अब मत सोच. बाद में, that is the second level stuff. पर ये सोच कि तेरे पास कितना, like how much you want to do that. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. That's it. Anything challenging in terms of doing it, and it doesn't make a difference. वो sorted हो जाएगा. This one thing which I also believe, if you want to do something, whatever the emotions associated with it, also go in that flow, because you are affirming about it. So I did a video about affirmations also. You can, if you want, you can check it on Instagram. Like, I've been doing a lot of stuff. I think these emotions are exactly coming from there. The emotions always come from a place which is a vacuum or a void that is filled in you. It doesn't come with happy space. Happiness is a result of a happy situation, happy emotion. Okay, so basically emotions, most of my emotions are coming from a void which is in my life right now. I don't know when I'll fill that void, but let's see. Hope for the best. And yeah, so if you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. I still didn't get a hangover of this. Please watch out for me on Instagram. I put out content on Instagram every day, so please check out my videos on Instagram as well as YouTube. Cheers.